Okay, good day, dear Bunga locals. As we discussed in the other posts, a lot of questions, a lot of inboxes are coming in. So I want to clarify it with a very simple diagram that we used to give our students. Now, assuming Stellisco is employed by Bliss POS company, and then for a week now, there have been missing forms, missing calculations. Nobody knows whether it's a wrong transaction or actually maybe a delayed transaction. But then, because Stella is one of us and is a digitally inclined, but unfortunately Bliss POS company, they don't have a computer system to compute the transactions. So Stella has to make it in a tabular form. If you can, as you can see very clearly, you see your serial number. All Stella needs to do, this is just a column of 6 columns. All Stella needs to do, come in the morning, serial number. This is first transaction for the day, serial number 1, and today's date is 4th of March 2026. So now what we have here is amount withdrawn. Now we have Bliss POS charge, OPay commission, and we have income. Now I'm going to explain to you how Stella is going to tabulate her income so that it will be very easy at the end of the day. Now let's call this column A, we call this B, we call this C, and we call this D. All right, now how do you calculate this? What we do is, to get D, we say that it's equal to B minus C. Now what is D? D is your income. Remember, D is your income. That means your income is equal to your charge. That's your POS charge, Bliss charge, minus OPay commission. That is the commission you are paying the dealer that gave you the POS machine. Okay, now our problem now is how to get this C. How to get this C? So to get C, which is our OPay commission, that's okay. Normally agents or the merchants, they charge 5 naira cap of every 1,000. That means our A, we are going to have OPay's commission is 5 naira for every 1,000. That means this 5 over 1,000 is going to give us 0.005. Keep that. It's not your C. Our C now is, C will be our A. How much did the person withdraw? A is our A. Your C now will be your A minus this 0.005. That is what your POS merchant is using to charge you, 0.005. Okay, now assuming today, as Stella got to the office, someone wants to withdraw 12,400. okay, and someone wants to withdraw 12,400 and Stella charges the person 200 naira. Okay, that means we now have our A. That means if A is equal to 12,400, and we have our B to be equal to 200, how do we find D? Are you getting it? How do we find D? Now, D is B minus C. Are you seeing it? B minus C, but there is no C here. D is B minus C, but there is no C here. Okay, what we are giving is just A and B. So how do you find C? You have to substitute the value of A here to get this. Sorry, this is times. This is not minus, times. Okay, so you first of all get your C because our D is B minus C. Okay, so you now say C, which is OPE's commission, is equal to 12